Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed garlic bread. In a bowl, combine your water, sugar, and yeast. Mix it well and allow it to stand at room temperature for about 10 minutes till the mixture becomes frothy. Then set it aside and in a separate bowl, combine 1.5 cups of your flour with your garlic paste, melted butter, and salt. Mix it well and add in your yeast mixture. Mix it till it resembles a thick batter. Transfer the dough into a greased bowl. Cover with some cling wrap and allow it to sit in a warm place for about 1 hour. Then sprinkle your surface with half of your remaining flour and turn your dough out on top of it. Add on some more of your flour and knead the dough till everything comes together and it's no longer sticky. Make sure to use the full half cup of flour. When all the flour is incorporated and the dough comes together nicely into a ball, divide it into half and roll each piece into a ball. Roll the ball in some flour and dust your surface lightly, then roll out the ball of dough into a circle. The thickness of it should be about 2 millimeters. Spread half the cheese onto half of your circle and sprinkle on some garlic powder and chili flakes. Use some water and brush it onto the edges. Then fold it over and seal. Repeat this with the second piece of dough. Place it onto a greased baking tray and brush the tops with some melted butter. Sprinkle on some garlic flakes and some chili flakes. Use a knife to cut through the top layer of dough into 1.5 centimeter portions. Then place in a 180-degree oven for 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and cool slightly, then cut through completely and enjoy.